Okay, let's start with Maths Chapter 2, Banking. In this chapter, you're going to study about recurring deposit account. Now, you or your parents or someone you know might be holding an account in the bank. Now, the general type of account which the bank opens for you is a savings account. In savings account is the simplest type of account in which you can deposit and withdraw money whenever you wish, as and when you like. Okay. The next type of account is current account, which is basically used by small entrepreneurs or small business owners, which have irregular incomes. Irregular as mean it means that it can be a daily income, not like a fixed salary. So they can deposit and withdraw money on a large scale on a regular period. But that's not we are going to study what we are going to study in this chapter. We are going to focus on recurring deposit account. A recurring deposit account is a kind of account in which you have to deposit a fixed sum in your bank account for a fixed duration, that is fixed number of months. So suppose if you go to a bank and if you ask that I want to open a recurring deposit account, they will ask you what is the amount that you wish to deposit in that account every month. Now there is of course a minimum amount. You cannot deposit 10 rupees, of course. They will tell you the minimum amount you need to deposit is 500 or 1000 or 2000 every month. And for fixed period, that is, the bank will tell you that minimum number of months for which the recurring deposit account can be uh, active is 12 months. So you must deposit every month 500 rupees or 1000 rupees for 12 months. After 12 months, you get your money back. Whatever you have paid, you get it back with interest. So it is a kind of saving for people. That's why people use recurring deposit account. So in this chapter, we are going to deal with the problems of recurring deposit account, and you need to know some formulae for doing the calculation. So let's check out the formulae. Okay. So the first formula is for uh, total sum deposited. Total sum deposited is P into N. Now P is the principal, that is the amount you deposit every month, the monthly installment, and N is number of months. So total sum deposited is P into N. Then comes interest. Interest is P into N bracket N plus 1, the whole upon 2 into R upon 12 into 100. Now what is P again? P is the monthly deposit. Monthly deposit, or the amount which you deposit in the bank every month, right? What is N? N is number of months. What is R? R is rate of interest. This is decided by the bank. Rate of interest decided by the bank. Okay. And I is the interest which you will earn at the end of n months, or end of the time period which has been decided. So this is the interest you get at the end of n months. And of course you don't just get the interest, you get your total sum deposited as well, back with the interest. So the amount, maturity amount on maturity, amount of, no, amount on, amount on maturity, amount on maturity will be uh, total sum deposited plus interest, right? So total sum deposited is P into N, that is monthly installment multiplied by the number of months for which you are depositing, plus the interest, that is this thing which you are getting back at the end of N months. So that is the maturity value or maturity amount or amount on maturity. So yeah, these are some things which you must know before starting the chapter. It's a very short chapter. Let's finish it, get done with it. Yeah. So first question, Kiran deposited rupees 200 per month for 36 months in a bank's recurring deposit account. Now, what we'll do is we'll write what is given, what has to be found out. You can pause the video, apply the formula, put the values, calculate the answer, and then check with my answer or check with the answer which is given over here, right? I'll show you how to do it once. So the first question is Kiran deposited rupees 200. So rupees 200 is what? It is P, principal. Rupees 200 per month, right? She's depositing per month for 36 months. So N is 36, right? 36 months, right? In a recurring deposit account, and bank pays interest at the rate of 11%. You have to find the amount she gets on maturity. Okay, so rate of interest is 11%. You have to find the amount on maturity. So first let us find the interest. Let us find the total sum deposited. So total sum deposited. Please excuse my handwriting. I'm struggling with this new software, but I'll get hang of it. Don't worry about that. So P into N. P is 200. N is 36, so rupees 7,200. This is the total sum deposited. Okay, now interest. Interest is P into N bracket N plus 1 the whole upon 2 into R the whole upon 12 into 100. Okay, so I is equal to P, which is 200 into N bracket N plus 1. Now N is 36, N plus 1 is 36 plus 1, that is 37. So 36 into 37, I'll directly write, upon 2 into rate is 11 upon 12 into 100. Let's simplify this. 100 2s are 200, 2 2 cut, 12 3s are 36. So interest is 3 into 37 into 11. 3 into 37 into 11, nothing remains in the denominator. Let me just calculate. 3 into 37 into 11. That is 1221. 1221. So interest I got, and I got total sum deposited. So amount is total sum deposited, that is P into N plus the interest. Yeah, so P into N is 7200 plus the interest which you are earning is 1221. So the total amount on maturity will be 8 rupees 8421, right? Rupees 8421. So this is the answer for the first one. Let's check the answer. Yeah, 8421 is the correct answer. Let's go to the second question. Mohan deposited rupees 80 per month in a cumulative deposit account for 6 years. Rupees 80 per month. Now this is not a practical value, okay? No bank will allow to deposit rupees 80 per month. Okay, so the minimum amount now as per the inflation keeps on changing. It might be 500 or 1000, depends. So this is just a question so that you know how to calculate. Okay, rupees 80 for 6 years, rate is 6%. Let's go to our working space and see what has to be done. Okay, so Mohan deposited, second question, Mohan deposited rupees 80 per month. Okay, so principal is rupees 80. per month for 6 years. So n is equal to 6 into 12, that is 72 months, right? 72 months is your time, and the rate is I think it is 11 or 14. No, it's 6% per annum. It is 6% per annum. 6% per annum. This is the rate, and we have to find, what do we have to find? Find the amount payable to him on maturity. Again, we have to find the same thing as the last question. We have to find the amount on maturity, right? So for this, first we need to find total sum deposited. Total sum deposited is equal to P into N. That is 80 into 72. That is, let me calculate, 80 into 72, 5760, 5760, and I need to find the interest. The interest is P into N bracket N plus 1 the whole upon 2 into R the whole upon 12 into 100. This is 12. Okay, so let us find the interest with the help of formula. 80 into n is 72, so 72 into 73 the whole upon 2 into R is 6 the whole upon 12 into 100. Anything cuts directly. 12, 6 are 72, 2, 3 are 6. Anything else? The 0 over here and the 0 of 80, that is 8 is remaining. Okay, I'll keep the 10 over here as it is. I'll write interest as 8, 8 into 3 into 73 into 6 the whole upon 10. Okay, so let's find out what is it. 8 threes are 24. 24 multiplied by 6 is 144. 144 multiplied by 73 is 10512. 10512 divided by 10 is 1051.2. Okay, so this is the interest. I have to find the amount on maturity. So 105, I'm sorry, just a moment. Okay, I got it. 1051.2, that is the interest, plus 5760. 1051.2 plus 5760 is 6811.2 rupees. This is the amount on maturity which Mohan will get. Let's check the answer. 6811.20, 6811.20. You must write 0 because it's 20 paise, right? So the next question. Let's come on to the next question. We are on our third question. There are totally just 5 questions here. Okay, Mr. R.K. Nair. This question is about Mr. R.K. Nair. So what he's doing? He's getting rupees 6455 at the end of 1 year. Okay, great. So amount rupees 6455 at the end of 1 year. So time is 1 year. 1 year means 12 months. Whatever is given, you just write that, okay? At the rate of 14% per annum. So the rate is 14% per annum. Okay. Find the monthly installment. You need to find the monthly installment. Okay, let's see. P, you need to find P. Okay, so let the monthly installment be rupees P. Let the monthly installment be rupees P. So therefore total sum deposited will be P into N, that is P into 12, that is rupees 12P. Okay, so we found the total sum deposited in the form of P, in the terms of P. Okay, next the interest. Interest will be P into N bracket N plus 1 by 2. I'm sorry for that, 2. Okay, into R upon 12 into 100. So interest is okay. There's one more thing I want to okay, let's do it later. Let's first find the value of interest in terms of P. See, P will be P into N bracket N plus 1. So N is 12. 12 into 12 plus 1 is 12 into 13, the whole upon 2, into rate is 14 upon 12 into 100. See, this 12 and this 12 will cut right away. This 2 and this 14 will cut and will be 7. 13 sevens are 91 by 100. And there is a P also. So 91P by 100. So this is the interest. Now you remember the formula for amount. The amount is total sum deposited, total sum deposited minus interest, right? So amount is total sum deposited. How much was the total sum deposited? Total sum deposited was 12P. We just got it over here. So 12P minus interest. Interest, we found 91P minus 100. 91P by 100. Okay, we'll take LCM and simplify this further. Let me scroll down and create some more space. Yeah. So amount is 6455. Let me just check. 6455, correct. So 6455 is equal to, after taking LCM, it will become 1200P minus 91P upon 100. So this will become 6455 into 100 is equal to, so what is 1200 minus 91? 1109. Okay, so this will become 1109P. Therefore P is equal to 6455 into 100 upon 1109. Okay, let's check the value. 645,500 divided by 1109. Okay, it's coming 582 or something. We might have made some mistake. We have to check our mistake. Total sum deposited minus interest. Oh, total sum deposited plus interest, not minus interest, will give you the amount. So this will be plus, this will be plus, this will be plus. See, silly mistake. So 1291 this will be. Okay, let me erase this and rewrite 1291 1291P, and this will be again 1291. Okay, I hope now we are correct. So 645500 divided by 1291 500 exactly. Yes, no more mistakes. Rupees 500 is the monthly installment. So this is how you need to solve this kind of question, where you had been given the amount, the number of months, the rate, but you had to find the monthly installment. So first we found the total sum deposited, then that is monthly installment multiplied by number of months, then we found the interest in terms of P, then we put both the things in the formula for amount, we solved it further, simplified, and we got the principal, that is monthly installment. Let's go to the next question. The next question is fourth one. Ahmed has a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposits rupees 2500 per month for 2 years. Okay. So number 4, rupees 2500 is the monthly installment. For how many years? For 2 years, and he gets rupees 66,250 at the time of maturity. Okay. So your time period is 2 years, and therefore n is equal to 2 into 12, that is 24 months. Okay, and he gets the amount back after at the time of maturity 66,250, 66,250 rupees. Find the interest paid by the bank and the rate of interest. I'm sorry about all those noises. This is what happens when you are in lockdown for a long time. People go crazy. So just excuse that. You have to find the interest. Anything else you need to find? And the rate of interest. Wow. You need to find the interest and the rate of interest. Cool. Let's see how to do it. First, can we find the total sum deposited? Yes, we can find total sum deposited is equal to P into N. What is P? 2500. What is N? 24, right? So 2500 into 24 is 60,000. 60,000 rupees Mr. Ahmed deposited for 2 years. Okay, in total, and the amount was 66,250. So we can find the interest. Interest is amount minus total deposit. So amount is 66,250 minus deposit is 60,000, and the answer is 6250. Okay, so that is your interest. Now we have to find the rate. So interest is P into N bracket N plus 1 the whole upon 2 into R upon 12 into 100. Remember the formula. I is 6250. P is 2500. What we need to find R, right? N is 24, so 24 into 25 the whole upon 2 into R upon 12 into 100. Just shift everything to the left hand side and find the rate. It's so easy. Now, okay, before that we'll just cut everything. Okay, so 25 fours are okay, 12 twos are 2 2s are again 2 1 2 5 zeros are, and 2 625s are. You can cut in simple manner also, but I cut everything now. There is nothing remaining, just 625 into r. So 6250 is equal to 625 into r. So r is 6250 upon 625. That is 10%. This is the rate. Yeah, so finding rate. So you see what is happening in all the questions which we are doing till now. What we are doing is we are using the same formula for finding the amount on maturity, for finding the uh, principal, for finding the interest, for finding the rate, right? The same formula. The things which have to be found out are different. So remember the method, because the same kind of problems will be there in the exercise. Let's do the last question. Hooray! We are at the end of it. And what I'm juggling with here, you have no idea. All my gadgets, my laptop connected with my uh, pen tablet or graphic tablet, with the software which records the screen, and the software in which I'm able to write. And it's so new for me, but I'm learning and it's fun, and we're going to have fun when the class opens. Yeah, I hope you're at home and taking care of yourself. Please don't step out, don't go out. Okay. Monica had a recurring deposit account in the Union Bank of India and deposited rupees 600 per month. Let's write it down. 600 per month. So that's your principal, right? Principal is rupees 600. Okay. What else? If the maturity value of this account was rupees 24,930. Okay. Maturity value. Uh, Let me write maturity value or amount, right? 24,930. Rupees 24,930. And the rate of interest was 10% per annum. Find the time in years for which the account was held. Rate of interest was 10%, right? Rate of interest R, 10% per annum. Find the time in years. So first you have to find the time in months, and then in years. Okay. Of course, we have to use the formula for interest, but for using the formula of interest, what should we know? We should know the interest. We don't know the interest. We don't know the time and we don't know the interest. Let's find the interest. How can we find the interest? So it's very easy. To find the interest is very easy. You will not find the interest, of course. You will first find the total sum deposited, right? So the total sum deposited is equal to P into N. What is P? 600. What is N? We don't know. So 600N. This is the total sum deposited. What is the interest? Interest is amount minus total sum deposited. So amount is 24930 minus 600N. This is your interest. Okay. Now what? Now we'll put the formula for interest. Interest is P into n bracket n plus 1 the whole upon 2 into r upon 12 into 100. By the time this formula should be memorized. I hope that you all are pausing the video and solving before me, right? Please do it, yeah. I'm going to I'm going so crazy in this lockdown that I'm going to make my videos more funnier. Yes, that's what I'm going to do because I'm just losing it. I just want to go out, guys, but I cannot. Nobody should. Okay? Don't listen to me. That's my crazy thoughts I'm sharing with you. Okay, so P is 600. This I'll put it in bracket so that you guys don't get confused. 600 into n bracket n plus 1. I will write it as n bracket n plus 1 because nothing can be done. I don't know what is n. R. What is the rate? 10%. So in multiplied by 10 upon 12 into 100. Okay, 100. These two zeros cuts with these two. Anything else gets cut? Yeah. Two fives are anything else? Anything else? Yeah. Six twos are anything else? Nothing else. So 24930 minus 600 why I'm feeling that यहाँ पे यार बहुत लोचा होने वाला है यहाँ पे क्योंकि ये दिख रहा है बहुत अजीब दिख रहा है यार ऐसा स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म की स्मेल आ रही है मेरे को ओके सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी 5 n bracket n plus 1 somebody is knocking on my door and I'm not going to open 5 n bracket n plus 1 the whole upon 2 okay let's take the 2 over there and 5 also over there okay so 24930 minus 600n the whole into 2 the whole upon 5 is equal to n square plus n. Wow, I just multiplied n here and I took 2 and 5 over there. Now see, both have zeros in the end, so they must have 5 as a common factor. So let's simplify them now. So first I will write it as 24930 into 2 49,860. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so 49860. So 49860. This is 2 into 24930. The whole upon 5 minus 1200n the whole upon 5 is equal to n square plus n. Okay, let's first simplify this. So 49860 divided by 5 is 9972. Some weird figures are coming up now. And 1200 by 5, I think it's 240. Let me check. 1200 divided by 5 is 240, yes. So 240n is equal to n square plus n. Now you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to shift everything over there. So when I shift everything over there, it's going to become n square plus n plus 240n, right? Plus 240n. Okay. And this 9972 also goes that side, so it becomes minus 9972 is equal to 0. So this will become n square plus 241n minus 9972. I hope this is correct, man, because so much of hard work I've put here. See the hard work from here. I hope this is correct. Okay, let's find out. So first what we'll do here is 9972. We'll find the factors, prime factors. Okay, 9972. If I divide it by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 1 down, 2 8s are 16, 1 down, 2 6. Okay, 4986. Again by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, and 2 3s are 6. Okay, now it cannot go by 2. So just see whether can it go by 3. Yeah, it can. So 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 8 3 plus 1. Okay, again we'll go by 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 remainder. 3 23. 3 7s are 21. Again 7. Alright. Will it go by 14? So this is 7 7 14 plus 2 16. No, it will not go by. It will not go by. Uh, it will not go by 3. Will it go by 7? I don't know. 7 3s are 21. So 667. No, it will not go by 7 also. Will it go by 11? No. Will it go by 13? 13 twos are 26. 17. No, it will not go. So I don't think it will go by anything. So I'll see. I'll just write. I'll take a chance. I'll write 277 over here. Okay, now see what is this? 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 3s are 36. So 277 minus 36. I'm just trying my luck here. 7 minus 6 is 1, splitting the middle term. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. 7 minus 6 is 1, 7 minus 3 is 4, and 241. Yay, I got the answer, 241. So what are the factors we are looking for? Just see over here. So see, I had minus 9972 and I wanted 241 here, right? So what I will take, 277 and 36. So I want plus 241. So of course this will be plus, but this will be minus. So 277 minus 36 is plus 241, and 277 into minus 36 is minus 9972. So n square plus 241 n plus I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I'm sorry. N square plus 277n minus 36n minus 9972 is equal to 0. N will be common. N plus 277 here minus 36 will be common, and n plus, so if 36 factor is taken out of 9972, 241 will remain, of course. Splitting the middle term, you've done that in 9th class, not a big deal. Yeah, so n, hey, hello, what is the issue over here? Not 241. What mistake I'm making? 36 into 277. 277 is 9972. Okay, so n plus 277 bracket n minus 36 is equal to 0. So therefore n is equal to, sorry, again I'll just write it all over again. Therefore n plus 277 is equal to 0, or n minus 36 is equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to minus 277, or n is equal to 36. Now n number of months cannot be negative, right? So this answer we will not take. Therefore n is equal to 36 months. Therefore time is 3 years. So who is the last guy? Monica, girl, not guy, girl. Yeah, so Monica deposited this money for 3 years in her account, right? So we have solved all the solved examples, and you know the method now. It's a very simple thing. See, you may come across such kind of long splitting the middle terms and all, but that's okay. You can use prime factorization like I did, and you can solve it. So that's the whole thing, right? I solved everything for you, all 5 questions. So you have to complete the remaining exercises of banking yourself. All right. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.